Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up another challenging question from algebraic expressions. We have to simplify x cube plus x power 5 plus 1 over x cube plus 1 over x power 5. Given equation is x power 7 plus 1 over x power 7 equal to 843 and x is always positive. So let's begin this problem by our expression. I can see x cube plus x power 5 plus 1 over x cube plus 1 over x power 5. I can take x power 4 common from these two. So it would be 1 over x plus x. And if I will take 1 over x power 4 common from last two, I will be having x plus 1 over x. Now x plus 1 over x is overall common. We will take common out. So in the other bracket, we will write x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. Instead of finding the fifth power, like x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5, now we have to only focus on fourth power brackets, these two. Let's find out x plus 1 over x first. So I will consider let x plus 1 over x equal to a. Now given that x was positive, so once x is positive, a will be always positive. A cannot be negative. Now I will write few identities from algebra. First one, I will write a cube plus b cube formula. And it is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Let's write in the context of our problem. So I will write x cube plus 1 over x cube. This will be equal to x plus 1 over x whole cube minus 3 times x 1 over x and in bracket x plus 1 over x. Now let us substitute our substitution. In place of x plus 1 over x, we can write a. So this will become a cube minus, these two will be cancelled out, 3a. So this is our x cube plus 1 over x cube expression. Now let us consider the power 4. So I will be writing here a power 4 general formula plus b power 4. I can write a square plus b square whole square. Done. What is extra? 2a square b square. Take away. So minus 2a square b square. Again we can write a square plus b square as a plus b whole square. Now minus 2ab I need to do in the bracket. So whole square is there. Minus 2a square b square. Let's write in this context of this problem. So I will write x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 equal to. Now I will write x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2 times x 1 over x whole square minus 2x square 1 over x square. See, these two will be over, these two will be over. What is left? X plus 1 over x, a. So I will write a square minus 2 whole square minus 2. So these two important conclusions we have concluded. X power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 and second one x cube plus 1 over x cube. Let's use these results for the calculation of our required expression. So I will take the product first. I will write x cube plus 1 over x cube times x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. See what will come out. Let's multiply x cube times x power 4, x power 7, 1 over x cube, 1 over x4, 1 over x power 7. Now cross multiplication. X cube with 1 over x power 4, 1 over x cube times x power 4, x. So I will write x plus 1 over x. Now from here we have to calculate x power 7 plus 1 over x power 7. Let us write x power 7 plus 1 over x power 7. This value will be equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube times x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 minus x plus 1 over x. Now let us put the value of sum of cubes, x cube plus 1 over x cube and x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. So I can write, here I will be writing 843. So this side is 843 equal to, this is a cube minus 3a, and this bracket we calculated a square minus 2 whole square minus 2, and then it is minus a. Now I can take a common from first bracket, so it will be a square minus 3, and let's expand this, a power 4 minus 4a square plus 4 minus 2 plus 2 minus a. Now a is common, so we can take a common out. In bracket it is left a square minus 3 times a power 4 minus 4a square plus 2 minus 1. Now let's expand, literally multiply this one. So we will have one haptic equation, degree 7 equation, a power 7 minus 7 a power 5 plus 14 a cube minus 7a minus 843 equal to 0 after expanding, multiplying it. So this is one degree 7 equation. There will be 7 roots, but our target is to find out a only for the real value. So let's apply rational root theorem. So I will write equation once again, a power 7 minus 7a power 5 plus 14a cube minus 7a minus 843, right hand side is 0. Let's write all the factors of constant term. So if you will see the factors of 843, so it is only 3, means in terms of plus minus there will be 6, plus minus 1, plus minus 3 and plus minus 281 only. 281 is prime number. Leading coefficient plus minus 1. Now a equal to 1 won't satisfy, as 843 is very big number, minus 1 also. Straight away I will put a equal to 3. So this equation will become 3 power 7 minus 7 times 3 power 5 plus 14 times 3 cube minus 7 times 3, so 21 minus 843. Let us write this value, 2187. Then it is minus 1701. Then it is 378. Then it is minus 21 minus, let me write as it is, minus 843. If you will check all the positive numbers, 2565 it would be, all the negative the same, 2565, which is equal to 0. That means our base solution is a equal to 3. This is our base solution. Now let's write all the coefficient of this hexagon equation or septic equation, degree 7 equation. So let me write SDM. So 1, 0, minus 7, 0, 14, 0, minus 7, minus 843. Leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now we will multiply with the base solution a equal to 3. So 3 times 1, 3, 3, 3 times 3, 9, 2, 3 times 2, 6, 6, 3 times 6, 18, 32, 3 times 32, 96, 96, 3 times 96, 288, 281. Now 3 times 281 is 843. Now these are coefficients for hexic equation, degree 6 equation. Now if you will notice, all the multipliers, all the coefficients are positive. What we are looking for, a positive value. But once, let me write here, I will frame one hexic equation. Let me write a power 6 plus 3a power 5 plus 2a power 4 plus 6a cube plus 32a square plus 96a and 281 at last equal to 0. So this is our degree 6 hexic equation. Now noticeable point is all the multipliers or coefficients are positive. Conclusion is only negative a will satisfy. Only negative values of a will satisfy this equation. That means a will be negative, but we are looking for only a positive. So no solution. No solution we will get from here, and I am talking about real only. So we will reject this equation ultimately. Equation rejected for real solution. So which is accepted value of a? It is a equal to 3. What was a? A was x plus 1 over x. So I will write a equal to x plus 1 over x equal to 3. Now our expression which we were calculating, that was x plus 1 over x times x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. Now I will put only the values. So the value was, I will write x plus 1 over x 3. Done. Now this value was, let me write a square minus 2 whole square minus 2. Let's put the value of a equal to 3. So 3 times, I will write 3 square minus 2 whole square minus 2. So 3 times 3 square is 9 minus 2, 7 square minus 2. So it is 3 times 49 minus 2, 47. So our ultimate answer of this question is 141. I hope friends this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.